Hi, it's been a while I posted a video. This is about introduction to IBKR APIs. This is one of the popular platform which is being used for trading. If you go to the IBKR Campus API web portal, you will see three different types of API: Web API, TWS API and Fixed API. In this video, I will look into the TWS API. For this one, we need a local machine with IB gateway and IBKR Python module, which in turn talk to the IBKR server. So the interface is from Python module to IB gateway to the server. First, we need to install the TWS API IB gateway. For that, go and click the download link. If you go down, you will see two different things. One is for the trader workstation, another for the IB gateway. So we are going to go with the IB gateway. If you really want to do a UI based, then you need a workstation. Download it for the Mac or Windows, whatever you want. For me, it's a Mac, and I downloaded the Intel version. Continue the installation, and it's a typically quick process. Now let's run through that one. So a few things it will go through. Enter the username, password. Before that, you should have this IBKR on your mobile app, which is needed for the two-factor authentication. So if you look at it, it will ask for the notification. You just acknowledge on your phone and it will proceed with the installation. Okay, going through, and it is done. Okay, now we are done with the installation. Go to the configuration, and one parameter we need to modify for the API. So there is a read-only API in the top. Just uncheck it because we are going to place an order entry. Nothing else, just note down the port number 4001. This is the port where the Python module will be talking to the IB gateway. Nothing to be modified, it's a local host. Apply, and you are good to go. Next, go to the GitHub repository and download the Python module. Here I am downloading the Python module for the Mac. Now go and create a directory and untar the files there. There you have a Python client. You have to create a virtual environment and set up the setup.py. So virtual environment creator, source that virtual environment with the bin activate. Once you are in the environment, run the setup.py. This will be under TWS API, Magnetics, IBJTS source, Python client, and Python setup.py. Okay, this will, it's install. So once it is installed, and there is a 2 sample script which I will post it into the comment section as well as my blog site. So this is for getting the codes. So here we are trying to get the codes for Apple stock. This is waiting on the 4001. That's what I mentioned. Let's enable the logs so that we know when the Python module is talking, you will be able to see the logs. Run the Python script and you can see the logs on the right side on the console. It's pretty straightforward. This is acting like a proxy in one way, for the Python module to simplify a lot of interactions. So let's do a order. So here again I am going to do the order for the Apple. So here I am going to change the port to 4001. This is a client identifier. Okay, let's run the order.py, and let's clear the log, and so that we know it's working. Okay, ignore the warning. Actually, it is off trading session, so we are getting some warning. And if you let's go to the actual IBKR account and then see if that order is in pending state. It should be because it's not a trading session. Login, again it will ask for the two-factor authentication. Login. Once you log in here, the above session will log out because you can have only one session at a time. Let's go into the order page, trade and order status. Okay, here you will see a buy order is still pending because it's not a trading session. You can see that one. Let's just go ahead and cancel. Yeah, it's a very pretty straightforward, simple setup. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to help my channel. Thank you. See you in another video.